Wanna make some African fried rice.
Yeah.
So you got like onion, pepper,
Alright.
yellow pepper.
Yellow
You got some ginger,
Okay, ginger.
and you got some garlic.
Garlic, alright.
You blend that shit,
Yeah.
and you put it in a pot.
Yeah.
You put a little bit oil.
Oil.
Let it like be a little bit scrambled,
Okay.
and then you put the rice, and you mix everything together.
Okay.
When you mix everything together, you let the rice get scrambled a little bit too.
Alright.
So when it's ready,
You
you just put some water.
Some water in that shit?
Add some water.
Shit sound like a bag of pennies.
Dumbass.
Alright, that's enough water, bro. Alright, that's enough water, bro. Alright, that's enough water, bro. You doing too much now.
Just nigga. I don't wanna eat. I don't want my rice to have a fucking knife on the hand. If I eat the rice, I can't sleep. When you eat the rice is supposed to be soft. I don't like the way they cook fucking rice in the shape.
God, whoa. Don't diss them on a video, G.
Aye.
Boys don't slide on you, right? You know what I'm saying?
So when you mix everything.
Okay.
You put some season shit.
Okay.
Got some seasoning.
Okay.
This a little bit hot, so I'm gonna break it down.
Alright. Get shit done.
The season.
Okay. Get some seasoning.
Some seasoning. You mix it up.
Yes, nigga.
You mix it up.
Okay. Mixy.
Mm-hmm. After you mix it up, you pull some salt.
Okay, some salt.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Okay.
Some people like a lot of salt. Depend on them.
Yeah.
So after you're done, you mix everything. You mix.
Okay.
And you let the rice start boiling a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, you just turn that bitch up a little bit.
And when you start boiling, see this? Make sure you got some fuel or whatever you guys call it.
Aluminum foil.
Yeah. So you got the fuel. And then when it starts boiling, you just turn that shit down a little bit, and then you cover the.
He cut you up nice, G. You feel me? He got you laying right,
Bitch ass nigga. So you use the foil to cover the thing, and then you use the actual cover and cover it again. So you're gonna cook.
Okay.
When it's done,
Alright.
the rest is ready.
Alright.
That's all. And beside that, you can make a little bit soup.
Okay.
I usually use some sardine. You guys gonna call it tuna.
Okay.
Yeah.
Little tuna, little.
Yeah, it's like tuna, but for us we call it sardine.
Okay.
Yeah. You make like a little bit sauce, and when you use that sauce, you can eat it with the fried rice.
Alright.
That's how I make a fucking rice.